Nilla Wafer Crusts have a nice vanilla flavor and can be used in pudding pies, tarts, and cheesecakes. No-bake crust recipes are perfect for hot days when you do not feel like turning the oven on. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Melt 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter in 20-second intervals in the microwave until completely melted, and set the bowl aside to cool. Add about 60 Nilla Wafers to a food processor and mix until they are fine crumbs. If you do not have a food processor, add the Nilla Wafers to a sealed bag and crush them into fine pieces using a rolling pin. Add the crushed up Nilla Wafers to a large bowl and add granulated sugar. Stir the crumbs and the sugar together until combined. Add the cooled melted butter to the crushed up cookie mixture until the crumbs are completely coated with butter. The butter will act as the glue to hold the crumbs together, so make sure all the crumbs from the side and the bottom of the bowl get mixed in. Add the mixture to a 9-inch pie plate or the pan you will be using this no-bake crust in. Use the bottom of a cup or your hands to pack the cookie crumbs together, creating a flat, even surface. Starting in the middle of the pan will help move the crumbs up the sides of the plate. Check out other no-bake crust recipes in the link above or the video description below. Use a small spatula or a knife to help shape the mixture up the sides of the plate. Refrigerate or freeze this crust to help it hold its shape prior to adding a filling or use immediately. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.